What's up, traders? Welcome to today's Equity Empire chart analysis session. When most investors are throwing darts, we're looking for clues in the charts. My name is John McHugh. I'm a former Wall Street analyst, hedge fund manager, and independent trader for the better part of 20 years. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at Netflix, and going to be looking at Netflix on the hourly time frame. As we normally do in these sessions, we're going to only be looking for two particular factors. What is the direction of the trend, and are there clues as to price ranges where institutions might be stacked up trying to buy or trying to sell. So step one, let's assess the trend. We'll take our trend line tool and we'll connect the lows of Netflix over the last several trading sessions. We'll go back to our trend line tool and connect the high points over the last several trading sessions. And what we see is an upward trending channel. So as price moves from left to right, the highs are trending higher, and there's confirmation as price moves from left to right that the lows are also trending higher, and that's the definition of an uptrend. So Netflix is an uptrend on a short time frame. Let's go now look at step two. Are there clues as where the big funds are stacked up trying to buy? And the way we'll do that is we'll look for support levels. There is a nice little support level here in the 961 to 948 price range. There's another support level just below that in the 936 to 921 price range. A third support level down here in the 874 to 853 price range. And then there's a longer term support level way back here in the 824 to 811 price range, where price has bounced once in mid-January this year. And then just a couple weeks ago, we bounced off that level again on it. What day is that? On April 7th. Okay, so we got four support levels. Let's go look at a resistance level or two. And there is a little bit of resistance in this level here. There's a little bit of resistance just above that. And then right here at all-time highs in the 1054 to 1063 range, there's additional resistance. So the first pocket of potential resistance we just kissed off of this morning in the 1019 to 1030 level. A little bit of resistance up above there in the 1038 to 1042. And then once again, all-time highs in the 1054 to 1063. Okay. Netflix is an uptrend. We have four potential entry points in these support levels. We could run into some resistance here in these resistance levels here, but each one of these support levels is tradable for a potential bounce. As a bonus, I'm going to add a third consideration here. Don't do this very often, but gonna go old school here as a bonus. In addition to being an uptrend and identifying four support levels and three resistance levels, gonna go old school here and go to the brush tool and show that on an hourly time frame, Netflix is also in an old school cup and handle formation. So price dropped, tested the highs there, formed a cup and then a little handle here and just broke out above the prior resistance level there. So that's a cup and handle breakout on top of Netflix being in an uptrend with all these potential support levels for entries. So that is today's technical analysis session, review session on Netflix. Hope you enjoyed the session. If you're new to trading, hope you learned something new. I will be doing these sessions on a daily basis going forward. In the meantime, wish you the best in your trading and investing, and we'll see you soon.